In this week's edition of the Business Review, our reporter Deidre Thomas looks at the journey of one of the country's renowned chefs.
For over 22 years, Christopher Brown, lead chef and CEO of Healthy Gourmet, has been known for his delectable creations through his catering services. But while it has always been his biggest dream to operate his own restaurant, the COVID-19 pandemic came and out that flame of that burning desire. Fast forward to 2 months ago, and this happened.
I was actually looking for a space to do a travel agency. That's how I came on this plaza right here at Raj Mall. And so I went upstairs and I looked at a space and I spoke with the gentleman, but it wasn't the ideal space that we're looking for in terms of price points and a few other things. And I just mentioned to him right there in the conversation casual that, look, I would love to get a restaurant space. And right there he said to me, but we have a restaurant on the plaza.
It was from there the embers of his passion reignited. That passion has been transformed into a restaurant which caters to the discerning taste buds of health-conscious Jamaicans.
Outside of the vegetarian and vegan items, we do oxtail, we do curry goat, we do chicken, and we do fish. Those are the 4 proteins we carry.
And Mr. Brown also offers customized consultancy, which he says is a necessary approach to help Jamaicans to further elevate their palates.
What we'll do, we curate a meal plan for you. We don't just do the meal plan. What we do as well is if you need assistance in preparing the meal plan, we do that as well. So we do house calls like a personal chef.
Now seeking to partner with Visu Eats by the end of July, the seasoned entrepreneur says the journey has been marred by a few scorches. However, his proactive approach during his former years traveling to the United States has made operating the business easier.
Each time when I travel and I work, I purchase equipments and I invest. And so it was a bit easier when we get the restaurant here.
With a staff complement of 6, he is seeking to grow the business and is doing this while debunking the myth that eating healthier is costly.
Use the beans, mix that with some sweet potato, which is nutrient dense, and you make some cakes from that. Then you have a nice sauce, and there you go. That's a good protein you have right there. Same thing for your vegetables. Instead of just sauteing the carrots, roast the carrots. Add some garlic, add a little ginger, roast them so you intensify the flavor.
This is why he wants to create a lasting impact on the food industry.
One of the things that we're big on is we teach persons when you come, why are you purchasing the meal that you're purchasing? Is it just to have a meal? So we're big on doing that. So the long-term goal is to see my Jamaicans eating healthier and living better.
For the Business Review, I'm Deidre Thomas.